Hello and welcome to my review of 22-minute profits. My name is Alenka and welcome to my channel where I do money-making online product reviews and help you start affiliate marketing business. Now, let's have a look at 22-minute profits. Is it a scam or not? Just before I start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. There is a subscribe button somewhere in the corner. If you enjoy this video, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And also click on the little notification bell icon so you get notified of all the videos that I upload when I upload them, which is now daily. So lots of goodies from this channel for you. Anyway, so let's dive in and see what is 22-minute profits. 22-minute profits is a ClickBank product. It is software that promises that will set up a business for you, set up your website in no less than 22 minutes. So in 22 minutes, you're supposed to have this done for you website that'll start generating you money immediately. If only. What you'll be doing is selling products from Amazon. We'll be doing affiliate marketing, a legitimate business model, definitely, but not very possible to use or to do with this product, and I'll go into details why not. So there's one pro I found, and that is that you can get your money back if you already bought it. Cons, they're overhyped claims. There is no business that you can install in 22 minutes and then that'll start making you money. That's just never going to happen. So if you are of that mindset, maybe you'd like to rethink your belief of how to make money online, because money making online is very possible. I do it myself, but it is not something that is achieved in 22 minutes. It is definitely a business that you need to work on, just like any other business. You need to learn about it and then implement it, and then hopefully it'll work for you if you work at it hard enough. So not in 22 minutes. I'm very sad to say that, because if that was possible, I'll be there first in the queue, believe me. Now, the owner of this product is just a made-up name, Mark Stafford. Mark Stafford does not exist. I've searched for him high and low. Not even the all-knowing Google knows who he is. It's just a made-up name, and apparently he's not revealing his identity because he's a millionaire and he wants to protect his privacy, apparently, but he wants to share his secrets with you. Well, first of all, if he's been using this product, he's definitely not a millionaire, but since he doesn't exist at all. Anyway, this is a big red flag for me. If they have to make up the owners, that's really not very good. Also, I forgot to say that this is just, I think that I don't think I know that the 22-minute profits is a rehashed product of another product that's called Real Profits Online, and if you compare them, they're pretty much the same. So it is the same software, just changed a little bit, and they're given always a different name, but basically they're the same thing. There are quite a few upsells, so these $47 that don't sound too much to start with. You will need to pay more and more for equally useless stuff. Now, I always like to talk about this point where you're building your business on someone else's done-for-you system. What I mean by this is even if this product were to be bringing you money, which it won't, but let's just for argument's sake say that it does, what happens when this Mark Stafford decide decides that he doesn't want to be online anymore, doesn't want to work on this product anymore, so you don't get your support, your technical support anymore, your business goes down the drain with his decision not to be not to bother with this product anymore. So you'd be investing lots of money, lots of time, training, effort, again, not just 22 minutes, and then that'll all disappear if he decides not to do this anymore. So what I suggest to you, if you're really looking to start an online business, if you're really serious about that, then to build it on a self-hosted website, and this is your own online property. This is your own domain name, your own content, your own intellectual, your content that you hold your intellectual rights to it, so nobody can take that away from you. And then you can build and scale that business and then earn lots of money, hopefully. But not like this. So I wouldn't suggest. There are many done-for-you systems out there. I've reviewed I don't know how many by now, and I have not found one that's actually very good or working. But mainly because of this risk, that the moment this software doesn't work, it's outdated and it's not updated regularly, you are left high and dry. There are, as per usual, almost, I'm very sad to say this, with ClickBank products, most products of this of the money-making online niche have fake testimonials. These are just people who give these testimonials in this product are just actors from the site called Fiverr. They also use a false scarcity technique, because they say there are only 150 places available for this product, where in fact there are as many as you like. It's an e-digital product, so they don't. There are no limited spaces. You can buy it if you like, which I hope you won't. So is 22 minutes to profit? 22 minutes to profit. I can't say this now. A scam? Well, you can get your money back, and you do get something for your money, no matter how useless that something is. So I can't call it a scam, but it's not very good, so I'm not going to recommend it. So what could you do instead? Well, you could do the same thing. You can do affiliate marketing, which is an amazing business model, especially if you're just starting out online. What you do is you choose your niche. That's your step one. You apply for an affiliate program. You have your website or a YouTube channel, or preferably both, like I do. And then you promote it on various social media platforms. You do search engine optimization, so you get your organic traffic via Google. And then when someone buys via your link, you earn a commission. Now, of course, these 5 steps are of course simplifying the process. What you need to do first maybe is to train in affiliate marketing. So what you can do about that is maybe join the platform where I'm learning affiliate marketing. I've joined there 13 months ago. As a complete newbie, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I didn't know anything about online marketing. I didn't have any technical skills. So I was a little bit apprehensive and a bit worried about having to build my own website, and especially about writing articles for my website. I've never liked writing. I'm a musician. Writing really bores me to death. Now, I now write blog posts every single day, thousands of words, because I've gone through the training and I've learned how to do it without feeling that boredom that I used to feel at school when I needed to write something. I'm sure you can sympathize with that. Now, as far as building my website was concerned, that took minutes, and then I need to customize it, and that's it. So it's not very difficult. The training is done on a step-by-step basis. So you learn a chunk of what you need to do, and then you implement it on your site, and this is how you go through your training. If you sign up today, you can sign up for free for your free starter account with just your email. You don't need any credit card details, and you have a full access to this platform for a whole week. You can stay a free starter member for life. I'd suggest that sometime down the line you consider upgrading to the premium membership, and that costs you less than $1 per day. It is an amazing deal. But first of all, you get 10 free lessons and 2 free websites, which is really an amazing deal. You can start your business, your affiliate marketing business today and for free. So no more excuses. I really hope to see you there. Again, I'd just like to emphasize that working online, it is not a get-rich-quick path. The only get-rich-quick path is to win a lottery or inherit some money. Otherwise, you need to work for it. So if you're of that mindset that you need to start today and then be rich by tomorrow, affiliate marketing is not for you. So then you shouldn't be signing up for this platform, because what you're expected to do here is learn, study, learn, implement, and work daily on your business. If you do that, you will definitely succeed, and you will definitely be able to give up your 9 to 5, or like myself, stay at home with your children, travel with your children, travel with your family, spend more time with your family. This way of working has afforded me the opportunity to stay at home, to be here I have 2 small children, so I don't have to worry about going out to work or I don't know, ask for a day off when my kids are sick. I can be here for them whenever I need to be. Again, I really hope to see you on the platform, and send me a message when you're there so I can help you. I can be your coach there, so don't worry if you're just starting out. I was there only 13 months ago, so you can see you can learn a lot in 1 year. So thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.